Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this particular category is an ultra spacious ocean view. It's a phenomenal option for so many different families and groups. I'll show you the space in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Silversea, or Celebrity Cruises, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get the Harr Travel signature service and value every step of the way. Now this room is all about extra space. This one's at the very front of the ship. They also have some that face the side. Basically, it's the same amount of space, just a little bit different configuration and the view out the side instead of the front. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you're in the living room area. So you can see here, you've got a ton of storage underneath there with shelves, drawers for storage, mini fridge just underneath, a little bit of storage up above. You'll have your safe in here, perfect for passport and wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. And you're gonna have your flat panel TV. Now that does move, so you can angle it towards the bed and the living room. So in here, you're gonna have a couch bed right there. You also have another chair right here with a small coffee table in the middle. And then you're gonna have your main bedroom area. Now right here, you've got a royal king size bed. I love that you can separate it apart into two twins if you prefer. And in that case, the two nightstands that have a ton of storage will go to the middle. Now you're gonna have two windows looking out the very front of the ship if you pick a forward facing one, and then directly across right here, you're gonna have your storage. So you've got a ton of hanging storage in here, hangers there, storage up above and on the side, and then those will pull down for more hanging storage as well. Now, right around the corner, you're gonna find your small writing desk that does double as a vanity. It's lit, so you can also get ready here on the sides. Those are gonna open up for more storage. And then you're gonna have two US plugs and a Euro plug. Now, I always bring an extra USB splitter. I can plug one in, charge multiple devices, and then I bring my backup battery so that I can charge it during the day and then utilize it in the evening by the bed. Now, if you wanna utilize the Euro plug, you can bring an adapter as well. You've got a floor to ceiling mirror right here, and then you've got another bedroom space. That's what makes this room so incredibly special. Now this curtain will pull shut so that you can have that level of privacy. Right here, you've got a twin size bed. You've got a separate temperature control in here, and then this will pull down as a Pullman bed, so you can put two in a bunk configuration here. Now directly across, you're gonna have some hanging storage here as well. So now let's check out the bathroom space. So in here, it's very similar to all the other rooms here on board in the balcony and ocean view categories. So I love the fact that they don't have a shower curtain. It's got a bowed out shower door. I'm 6'6", and I actually do fit in here. You've got your adjustable shower wand there, a single vanity with a little bit of storage room tucked behind the mirror here, and then underneath as well. Now just a really quick recap, you can fit two in that second bedroom area, you can fit two here and two right there for a total of 6 passengers in this room. Now there's two configurations of the ultra spacious ocean views. One is the forward facing, and this particular one is the side facing. Now I like both of them for different reasons. You still have a large window where you can look out the side there. You've got quite a large living room space. And then once again, you're gonna have a second bedroom space. This one's actually a little bit larger with a larger closet. You've got the drawers there, and then of course the Pullman bed that comes down, and you've got the curtains that'll slide across here for that extra level of privacy. So I don't think you can really go wrong whether you pick the side-facing view like this or the forward-facing. If you're looking for some extra space, this is the perfect option for you. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect one for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service and value every step of the way.